Okay, so we have another update to Code Bang. It's Coder Bang. This guy here. He makes the, um, you know it as Quick CPU. I got a message saying there's another update again. So he released 4.5.2.0. Released on the 2nd. And today is the 10th. Tested platforms: Windows 7, SP1, Windows 8, 8.1, 10, 11, 64. You know, he gives it for free, so you got 32-bit version. You're not going to see this because I have dual screen. So we have a 46-inch screen. It's true 46, and then we have actually it's actually a TV as well. But Sony makes this. It's not bad. Then we have an Acer 27-inch. I saw that they had a 32-inch, but I know it's kind of pushing it. That's pretty big. I don't know if I have the space. And I have it on a bracket, and I have it on. Let's see, in portrait mode. So that allows you to do a lot of things. You should, if you can do it. Some people have more than one monitor. You know, most of the companies I work for, when I do the contracting, stuff like that, they had the same kind of setup. And I said, hey, what can I have at home? Now this might tell me it can't install because it's already running. So let's exit out of it. There's a free software that you can make your own installation program. I used to make my own. Uh, Now we have network storage in here, so I'm gonna take that file and move it to the main, so all the computers in the house can get it. Actually, I could write a script. Oh, you saw it; it was transferring, and set it up so you can force the machines to install the update. You see, yeah, because that's in a real business environment. That's how it would be. You'd be working because everything's on the domain. So the like the Windows administrator, admin would push everything to the machine. That's what they're supposed to do. Well, they would get the batch file or whatever it is, or the executable, and it would be pushed. And then he'll get the files what he needs, and then he would send it to other computers on the network. And they would, when the user logs into their machine, it would get a push on the network. The file will update. So say updating, loading, update, or updating your machine like that. And that's how the way that's why they tell users, don't turn off your computer, leave it logged on, and but they can they'll be logged on, and then they can push the updates that way. That's the way they're supposed to do it. So that's how that environment works. Because on a domain, it's not the same as being in a house. You could have your own domain. I experiment. I did that. I built a server, and I had back then we used Windows Server 2003. Well, I had more. I had NT and all the way up to whatever they have today. but that server has to be on all the time, and you have to have two NIC cards in there because it's in and out, and you can have it hooked up to a split. So it's, you have the in and you have the out, and you split it, and then you run it throughout the switch and in every PC. So you can, but now you have a NAS. Oh yeah, why did it end it prematurely? Because we don't have it running. Huh. I'm gonna have to go into make sure it's not running in the background. Oh, let's see if it's. Okay. So on here, I relaunched the program. I want to see what it launches. Okay, launched. Let's see if it's, let's see if it's the current version. Need to change this because there's a new version out. Oh, there it is. I see the new version installed. Four, five. What's the new one? Current version. So the new version installed. All right, good. It says here max it can do is 3.55. Okay, so what I have in the computer here is it's the same. What they did is they took the APUs and they made them Ryzen processors. So that's what AMD did. So technically speaking, I got the processor before they switched the name over. So yeah, I have no problem with this processor. And the other, this is quad core with 6 cores on the GPU. Then I have the same kind of a processor, but this time dual core with 4 cores on the CP on the GPU. Okay, okay. It's CPU is going to be 4 cores. GPU is going to be 6 cores on this one. Then we have another one that's dual core with 4 cores on the GPU. But that one comes with an overclocker. Yeah. So you can overclock it. I overclock it to what this is, 3.2, and this one can go up to almost, according to this, oh well, 3.55. I know, just pushing it. So, hey, it's better than nothing. Let's see what happens. Did it when it minimize? Did it minimize back to this service tray? Yeah, there it is. This is Steam. I don't need Steam on. Steam, if you gotta play Steam games. I haven't been using it lately. We got Bluetooth. Oops. So now you know there's a new version out. This will be the video on this. This is all we're talking about. This we're not talking about anything else, and that's about it. Oh yeah, happy New Year to you guys. The channel is gonna be this here is gonna be gone. I'm upgrading slowly all the channels I have, but we have something new gonna go right here. What's this? Oh, yeah, the gateway problem. That's another subject to talk about. My touch screen is working, by the way. He's talking about this. It's an Intel issue with it's an Intel laptop processor. Intel drivers corrupted the touchscreen interface. If the company went legit with everything else, then we wouldn't have these problems. So they use well, less costly driver for the touchscreen, because the touchscreen driver I got it from the manufacturer by finding out who was the manufacturer. It works, but it doesn't work like it used to work when I had it on the Windows 10. That user said he got the. It's not Acer. It's not Acer gateway. It's GPU, either GPN or GPU. Yeah, but anyway, but quick CPU works perfectly on that laptop, tablet. Oh, yeah. So anyway, yeah. So we're gonna have a new look. These buttons here, these destinations. Well, I mean, I get rid of the blue button. These are music channels. They will stay like that. This channel I have no access to it, but this is the old channel. I used to do things. Too bad I don't have access to it. But anyway, but that's one of my channels. That's old. But these two here, music channels that I run. Yeah, I'm very busy. It's like 9 channels. Oh, yeah. Then we have I do impressions. Which one is that? Oh, I don't have the impressions channel on this. I'll have to add it. Yeah, that's a lot of channels. Yeah, I do impressions. I do different characters. Oh, I even did a cartoon. I know. I don't. Nothing to cry about. All right. Hey, don't forget to download. Don't forget to download Quick CPU. I'm not getting paid for saying that. I'm just saying, it's what I'm using. Okay. Same thing with this one. Somebody talked about this stuff. I've been using this for years, so it works for me. I'm not getting paid. They're not paying me to say that. Something I only recommend what I had. I had something called, I think it was called Jet Clean. That's right, Jet Cleaner. Oh, but Jet Cleaner messed up the Windows. They never upgraded it. It was a good program because not only did it clean out the RAM, the virtual RAM, did everything. I mean, this one kind of sort of does it. I don't know why they just don't incorporate it all in one app. And if you have a whole bunch of apps. But that's about it. Oh, got 63 views on that. Wow. Hey, everybody, we need to subscribe. We need to get this up to what gig. But this is all right. This channel, I mean, when I can post, when I can do things, I post. All right, let me stop the chit chat. Okay, that's about it. Hey, support the channel by subscribing. Thanks. Bye for now.